Have you ever wanted to create your own cryptocurrency? Whether for a business, a DeFi project, or just for fun, launching a new crypto coin requires careful planning, technical skills, and a solid strategy. Before diving in, subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth tutorials and expert insights on crypto development. In this guide, we'll walk through everything you need to know to create and launch your cryptocurrency in 2025. Let's get started. The first step is defining your purpose. Why are you creating a coin? Is it for payments, a DeFi project, an NFT ecosystem, or governance? A well-defined purpose not only helps in development, but also attracts investors and users. Choosing the right blockchain is crucial. Ethereum is best for smart contracts, while BNB Chain offers lower fees and fast transactions. Other options include Solana, Polygon, and Avalanche for scalability, or creating your own blockchain using Cosmos SDK or Substrate. Each blockchain has its own advantages, so carefully analyze transaction speed, security, and developer support before making a decision. Next, decide on the type of coin. If you're looking for an easier and more affordable route, launching a token on an existing blockchain is the way to go. This method requires less technical knowledge and allows for quicker deployment. However, if you need complete control over your network, creating a standalone coin with its own blockchain is the better choice. Common token standards include ERC20 for fungible tokens, ERC721 for NFTs, BEP20 for Binance-based tokens, and SPL for Solana-based tokens. If your project doesn't require unique blockchain features, an ERC20 or BP20 token is the fastest option to bring your cryptocurrency to market. The development comes next. If you're launching a token, you'll need to code a smart contract using Solidity or Rust. Development frameworks such as Remix, Hardhat, or Truffle simplify this process. For those opting to build a standalone coin, blockchain frameworks like Cosmos SDK, Substrate, or Tendermint are required. This approach demands advanced development skills and involves setting up nodes, consensus mechanisms, and network security measures. If you lack coding experience, hiring a blockchain developer from platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or GitHub can streamline the process. Before launching, testing your cryptocurrency is crucial. Deploy your smart contract on a testnet to identify any potential issues. Conduct security audits using tools to detect vulnerabilities in your contract code. Checking transaction speed, gas fees, and security risks helps prevent costly failures. Skipping this step can result in severe security breaches, so never underestimate the importance of thorough testing. Once your cryptocurrency is fully tested, it's time to launch and distribute. Deploy your contract on the mainnet, ensuring your token is ready for real-world transactions. Providing liquidity is essential. Use decentralized exchanges to make your token tradable. A well-thought-out tokenomics model that defines total supply, distribution strategy, staking rewards, and governance mechanisms will make your project more attractive to investors. Consider offering airdrops and incentives to encourage early adoption and increase engagement within your community. Marketing and community building play a vital role in a successful launch. Develop a professional website and a detailed white paper that outlines your project's vision, use case, and technical details. Social media platforms are powerful tools for building a strong community and keeping users engaged. Partnering with crypto influencers and listing your token on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko will help boost visibility. A thriving community is crucial for long-term success, so interact daily, provide updates, and foster discussions around your project. After launching, securing listings on exchanges is the next major milestone. Decentralized exchange listings are relatively easy and provide instant liquidity. However, centralized exchanges offer more exposure and credibility, but require meeting strict listing criteria and liquidity requirements. Start with DEX listings to establish market activity before targeting major CEX platforms. Launching a cryptocurrency requires effort, but with a clear vision, a dedicated community, and strong technical foundations, you can create a successful project that thrives in the ever-evolving crypto space. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more step-by-step guides, expert insights, and in-depth tutorials on cryptocurrency development. If you found this guide helpful, like and share and drop a comment below with any questions or insights.